Hi, my name is Joel Rodell, and I'm the head of business development for Rhoden Roofing. And today I'm here with Braden from Earthworks, and Braden's going to tell us a little bit about how you do commercial holiday lighting, Christmas lighting on a building, and how you do it safely and properly. What are some things that maybe the average business owner might want to know about installing holiday lighting?
You want to come at them with a lot of custom options, so LEDs, different colors, I would say, and then it depends on your roof type. So if you have shingles, you're going to use a different type of clip. Like for this roof we had, it's magnetic, so we use magnetic clips, and it's going to prevent damaging. So you don't want to drill into the roof, you don't want to staple into the roof, you don't want to use adhesive, because that's just a claim on your guys' part that's not covered.
Can the lights stay up all year long?
It's up to the client. I know there's permanent LED lights that you can install that are separate from holiday lights, but most clients like to get them taken down and stored for the year and then put back up next year.
Is there a lot of equipment that's involved in installing these lights?
I would say more material than equipment.
Okay.
For equipment wise, of course, a ladder, but when it comes to material, it's really simple. I mean, you have your strand of wires, you have your blank wire for anything if you're not using a bulb, and your clips and a bunch of other necessities that you do need. But as far as equipment, you don't need much.
Understanding that each building is a little bit different sizes and different complexity, about how long does it take to put the lights up?
So for here at this roof, it's going to take us about an hour to put the lights up, realistically. Hour and a half, 2 hours. And then if we didn't get everything set up and didn't get the lights put in and get everything measured per run, it would have took us probably 4.
As you're thinking about the power requirements that are necessary to put up the lights, is there any wisdom that you'd share with somebody? Do we expect a huge jump in our power bill?
No, it's low voltage. It's a low voltage lighting system. So I would say you do need to know where your lighting is going to begin and where your light source is. That's a big, major decision factor, and you know where your runs are. If you have large amount of runs, you may need a few power sources. So
remember, when you're bringing a holiday light installer on your building, make sure that they're protecting your roof in the process. A great light display at the holidays is incredible, but so is the integrity of your building.